Forget about dropshipping, forget about Amazon FBA, forget about AI agencies, YouTube automation, or whatever the fuck is trending on the internet this week. If you simply start this online business, you will never have to worry about money ever again. And the best part is, it's got 90 to 95% profit margins, and as long as you don't quit like a wuss, you will succeed. And anybody can get started. Anybody. Have you guessed what it is? We simply take our interests, our passions, etc., and we monetize them through digital products. Things like online courses, high-ticket programs, even one-to-one coaching or group coaching, and also monthly paying communities, for example, on School. That is literally it. That's the business model. If you want to learn from me step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit with my online business selling digital products, I've created a School community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below. If you're not too stupid, you realize that selling online courses and digital products in general is actually the business model that all the gurus are doing. It's not some day trading, like day trading is a huge fucking scam. Nobody actually makes money from it. It's literally gambling. Like, that is what it is. Same thing as investing money into crypto. You don't know if it's gonna go up or down or sideways. You don't fucking know. It is gambling. It's not a business. If you just do a simple Google search on day trading, you'll see most day traders lose money. They don't make any profit. It is bullshit. It's something that attracts lazy people who think they can just click on a button and get rich while sitting on their ass. No. That's not how it works. And these gurus, they're also not doing dropshipping. It's fucking saturated. Do you seriously believe you're gonna get rich by reselling the same shit that everybody is reselling from AliExpress? Like, seriously? And these business gurus, they're also not sending 100 cold DMs a day to people to sell them shitty services they don't even know how to do themselves. Do what they do, not what they say. I'm sure you've heard this quote, maybe even in dating. They tell you to look at what women do, the kind of men they want, instead of just taking everything they say at face value. And a lot more people than you realize, not even just women, are actually always sub-communicating things to you. In every single social situation, you need to learn to read between the lines. For example, I've done hundreds of sales calls. People never tell you what they think, especially when it comes to spending money. If you've ever done sales, you will learn very quickly. For your sake, I mean, if you don't learn this, you're not going to be successful. But if you are successful, then you know this. When people throw objections, they're not telling you the truth. When somebody tells you, oh, I need some time to think about it, or I need to speak with my wife, all of these things, it's always a BS. But the broke and successful salespeople, they just listen to what people say and think, oh, okay, no problem. I'll give you some time to think. Oh, okay, I'll let you talk to your wife. And then they lose the sales forever. While the other sales rep, the daddy sales rep, we'll call him, he knows people are bullshitting. When people say, oh, I don't have the time to do it, what they're really saying is, I'm a wuss, I don't want to commit, or simply, I'm not interested in the program. I don't want to buy. But at least the daddy or the smart sales rep can just look deeper. Or is it that they want it, they're interested, but they've got limiting beliefs that are preventing them from pulling the trigger and purchasing. So while everyone is telling you, do SMMA, do dropshipping, do day trading, like, oh my god, day trading, for fuck's sake. Or worse, do Amazon FBA, print on demand, all these things that nobody ever really makes money from. These people are selling digital products. If you want to learn from somebody who's made thousands of dollars a day in profit, and I'll show you proof of that. I'm talking about myself, if you haven't noticed. Just click the link in the description below when you're done watching this. I've recently created a small paid group where I'm going to teach people step by step exactly how I sold digital products very profitably and how you can do the same even if you have no idea how to do it. The more people join, the more the price will increase, so I suggest you join now if you actually want to learn how it's done and make fuck you money on the internet. I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos telling you what's the best online business to start, what's the best business model for beginners in 2026, in 2027, in 2028. Like every single year you've got these videos, and I use these titles myself. Except I'm actually willing to tell you what no one else is willing to tell you, because they want to protect their businesses. Digital products, and by digital products, I'm specifically referring to online courses, high-ticket programs, even coaching, if you like to do more one-on-one stuff with people, and monthly paying communities on School, for example. This is the best business model ever. Like in the entire history of the world, there has never been a better way to make money. Why? Well, for two reasons. You can make unlimited money. You can make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Some communities, as we're speaking, are making $300,000 a month. That is a lot of money, my friend. And then you get to do what you love. I'm sure you've grown up thinking you can't do what you love and make a lot of money because maybe the job doesn't pay enough. Like, what if your passion is, I don't know, being a barber? That usually doesn't make that much money. But if you build a community around it and you've got a few hundred people in it, now you're making $10, $20, $30,000 a month from your passion. That's something that wasn't possible to do, a few decades ago. Same thing with fitness, for example. If you were a personal trainer, you wouldn't be making much money. I mean, even nowadays, personal trainers at your local gym, they don't make that much. They make $2,000 a month maybe, and that's it. Whereas the big fitness influencers are pulling in millions per year. That's only possible thanks to social media and thanks to digital products. And nowadays, you can monetize any passion. If you go on skool.com, skool.com, you'll see that some people are making $20,000 per month teaching others how to get better at CSGO, League of Legends. That is insane. Can you imagine making a living playing your favorite game? If that's what you're into. That's just to show you the infinite possibilities we have nowadays. Yet some retards will tell you, oh, go and do some dropshipping. Go and do some day trading. You're gonna lose all your fucking money. And I can't blame you because you don't know who to listen to. There's so many people giving you contradictory advice. Just a few years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I was trying all these different business models and I didn't know what to do. I tried dropshipping, lost a fuck ton of money, and it was a fucking headache. I tried affiliate marketing on Instagram. I'd go on these sites like ClickBank or whatever, try to sell these things on Instagram. It didn't work. I also did services and I made some money with that, but I fucking hated it. Sending cold DMs is like the worst, most dehumanizing thing you could ever do. Unless you sell a very specific B2B service, in which case then B2B emails would work, it is fucking hell. I can't even tell you the amount of people I get every single day DMing me, emailing me from Gmail addresses, and they tell me that they can do SEO for me or write my YouTube scripts for me. Do you really think I need your shitty service? No. So many people have just been conditioned to think they can't do what they love and make a lot of money. But again, when some people make $20,000 per month teaching others how to play CSGO, that shows you don't listen to those fuckers. You can do anything. Society only led you to believe that so you'd go and work a job you hate for the rest of your life and never question anything. But nowadays you know better. Information is more readily available than it's ever been. If you want to learn from me step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit with my online business selling digital products, I've created a Skool community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below. Now some people will still think, oh no, I need to do dropshipping. That's how I'm gonna make money. I'm gonna resell a fidget spinner or a rose bear or a lamp or whatever the fuck is trending on TikTok this week. Well, let's just do the math, right? We sell digital products because we're smart and we wanna enjoy our life. We have 95% profit. That means that for every $10,000 we make, we keep $9,500 in profit in our pocket. Whereas dropshippers, even if they are successful, they make $10,000 a month. Wow, impressive. They keep 5 to 20% in profit. The average 10%, so they made $10,000, they're only keeping $1,000. The guy working at Burger King makes more fucking money. Wake up. I've noticed that a lot of people only focus on the end goal, like making more money, but they forget that money is a consequence of doing something well. Why does anyone make money? You make money in exchange of the value you provide. That's it. Even if you make money passively from investments in the stock market, because you invested in the stock market, you provide value to these companies in the form of capital so they can use it to grow, to expand their operations. You never make money if you don't bring any kind of value to anyone, unless somebody just flat out gives you money. But if they give you money for no reason, it's probably because you actually brought them value in one way or another. So people obsess over making money, and then they think, oh, I need to go and send 100 cold DMs a day, or this kind of crap. I need to sell an AI service even though I don't like AI and I don't know how to use this fucking service or sell it, etc. And they think that's how I'll make money. because my passion is playing the guitar and I can't possibly make money doing that. There's plenty of people making a lot of money teaching others how to play the guitar. And because you love it, you'll be great at it. And if you're great at something, you'll make a lot of money from it. Because think about this. In any industry, you won't come across people who are extremely good at what they do, but who also love it. So if right now, you just try and do AI stuff like everyone else thinks they should do, you're not only going to be competing against everyone else because people are just sheep, they follow the herd, but among that herd, there's going to be extremely smart, extremely talented people who love what they do. And these people are going to fuck everyone. So instead of just following the herd blindly like an idiot, think for yourself. What's the thing you love? If you were a billionaire right now, or you had $100 million in the bank, you never needed to work ever again, what would you want to pursue? What's the thing that lights a fire inside of you? What's your passion? And if you don't have a passion, go do shit and find the passion. It's always shocked me when people don't have a passion. Like, what do you spend your whole days doing? Just take a look at the kind of content you consume. That might actually be your passion. Go ask other people, what's the one thing I can't shut up about? The one thing I could never shut up about was always either fitness or making more money, breaking out of poverty. That's what I'm all about pretty much. I've often had people tell me, you've got no hobbies, you work on your business and you go to the gym. But bro, those are my hobbies, that's what I love to do. And these people can't possibly understand that exercising and working on my business is just what I love to do, what's fulfilling for me. More fulfilling than, I don't know, going out and partying or playing video games or anything else. I think they're too scared of seeing that some people just love their work because they hate their jobs. And instead of being inspired by seeing people make money doing literally anything, they're insecure about it because they think I'm not doing that. When nothing is stopping them from starting, there's no law in the universe that's telling them you have to stay stuck in a job that you hate. Now, I'm not suggesting you quit your job tomorrow, especially if you've got other people relying on you. Provide for them first, of course, but build something on the side. You know, we all have the same 24 hours a day. And most people, before they succeed and before they become full-time on what they do, they had a job. They went to school. They had the same hours as you do. And the other question you gotta ask yourself is, what kind of lifestyle do you want? Like, do you want to be doing some dropshipping and every single day you wake up, you've got this ball of anxiety in your stomach, this knot, because you're wondering if your ad account hasn't been disabled, if your payment processors haven't been shut down because you get so many chargebacks, because the products take forever to arrive. I've done hundreds of sales calls with people who wanted to start a business, and I always ask people the same question. What would your life look like if you made however much money they said they wanted to make per month? And a lot of people, they don't even really know. A lot of people told me, I've never really thought about it, or I've never made $10,000 a month, so I don't know what I'd be spending that money on. And honestly, I can't blame them, because you never really realize how much $10,000 a month is until you actually make it. Same thing with $100,000 a month. You don't realize how much it is, or how little it is, depending on your goals, of course, if you've never made that kind of money. Like, if you had $100,000 a month right now, what would you spend it on? You probably don't know because it feels so far away. It feels so big compared to where you are right now. But to me, like, I don't understand how some people can be okay with making $2,000 a month, even $3,000, even $4,000 a month, even $5,000 a month, when you can make $100,000 a month with your business. Like, the difference is night and day. Making 6 figures a year is the new minimum wage, seriously. If you make less than 6 figures a year, your life is shit. I grew up broke, I know what it's like. And then I've been around people who are very wealthy, and I can tell you, 6 figures a year is actually minimum wage. Now, I know some people will be completely offended by what I just said, but obviously, it depends on your goals, your level of ambition. How materialistic are you, because nice shit is expensive. I typically think that the most beautiful things in this world are priceless. You can't really buy them with money, like friendship, for example. But the second most beautiful things in this world are the most expensive. So typically, living in a beautiful place, in a penthouse, or traveling in business class, etc., these things are the most expensive. The thing I'm really trying to get you to understand here is that you want to pick a business model that suits the lifestyle you want. I quit services because I hated it. Yes, I could make $10,000 a month just doing services for other people, but that's basically me working a job doing work I don't like. I just make a little bit more money, but I pay more taxes anyway. So what's the point? That's why I sold online courses, coaching, high-ticket programs, monthly recurring communities, because that is what I've always wanted to do. Teaching others, sharing my passion with the world. Not to mention it's high profit. and it gives you freedom like nothing else. It is the best business model you could ever start. So many people just focus on the money instead of focusing on what kind of life they want to build in the first place. When I tried dropshipping a few years ago when I was a broke teenager in high school, I tried it with a friend who was working a job, so he supplied some money, and I was putting as much time as I could into trying to grow the business, making the sites, the ads, and I would also reach out to small influencers on Instagram, girls with, on average, 1,000 followers to 10,000 followers maximum, and oh my fucking god, it was a nightmare. So many of them were acting like they were queens. They wanted us to pay a shout out, and also send them free products, etc. We were two broke kids trying to make some money on the internet. And then, oh my god, the ad accounts were constantly getting banned. It was a fucking nightmare. I hated it. And we lost money doing this. I've never been happier and more fulfilled than when I sold online courses while I was asleep. So yes, make money, make a lot of it, make as much as you want. But at the end of the day, what life do you want to be living? Where do you want to live? What kind of people do you want to be friends with? Ask yourself the questions that really matter. Not just, oh, I'm gonna make some money, let me start dropshipping. Let me DM a whole lot of people a day to sell them my shitty AI service I don't even know how to deliver. Ask yourself the right questions, and you will find the right answers. But I won't tell you, there is no better business model than selling digital products on the internet. You'll never be happier than making a lot of money, 6, even 7 figures a year, teaching what you love, sharing your passion with the world, doing the one thing you can't shut up about. On school, you'll find people making 6 figures a year, teaching people how to play CSGO, teaching people how to paint. They make more money than doctors, who sometimes hate their fucking jobs. So please, have the balls to follow your dreams. There's no excuse anymore. Not in today's world. In 2026, if you are broke, you are choosing to be broke. It is literally a choice with all the opportunities we have nowadays. Do something about it. Most people never get off their ass and never do anything. That's why they're poor, not because there's a law in the universe preventing them from getting what it is they want. Most people don't fucking try. If you want to learn from me step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit with my online business selling digital products, I've created a school community and program where I'm gonna teach you exactly that step by step. The link for it is in the description below. You'll be able to see exactly what's inside, client results, and more. So click the first link in the description below.